A parallel plate capacitor is located horizontally so that one of its plates is submerged into liquid while the other is over its surface. The dielectric constant of the liquid is K, its density is rho. To what height will the level of liquid in the capacitor rise after its plate get a charge of surface charge density sigma? Suppose separation between the plates is D and up to depth A, this lower plate is submerged inside the liquid of density rho. Suppose after charging liquid rises to height h, then the whole system can be considered as a series combination of two capacitors. One capacitor is this vacuum part, suppose it is C air part, and other capacitor is this part filled with liquid. Suppose the capacitance of this part is C dielectric. As this distance is A and this is height h, so the distance between upper surface of liquid and lower plate is A plus h, and the capacitance of this part will be C dielectric is equal to epsilon naught Ka upon A plus h, and capacitance of this part will be equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus A plus h. Here A is the plate area. So net capacitance will be equal to C is equal to C air, C dielectric upon C air plus C dielectric. Substituting the values of C air and C dielectric, we get this result. Now electric potential energy of the system is given by P is equal to half Q square upon C. On substituting the value of C, we get electric potential energy is equal to Q square upon 2 A plus H plus K D minus A plus H upon epsilon naught Ka. Now extra potential energy due to extra height covered by the liquid is extra gravitational potential energy is equal to mg into height of the center of mass of extra liquid. It will be equal to mg into h upon 2. As the center of mass of this portion of liquid is, this portion of liquid will be at height h upon 2. Here will be the center of mass of this extra portion of the liquid. So it will be equal to half mgh is equal to half, the value of m is volume, it is rho A into h into density rho into gh. It will be equal to rho A g h square upon 2. Now total energy of the system will be equal to potential energy, electrical potential energy plus gravitational potential energy. As battery, that is external energy source, is not connected with this capacitor, so total energy of this system will always be constant, that is E is equal to constant or dE upon dH is equal to 0. Now the value of E is U electric plus U gravitational. So on substituting these values in this equation, we get E is equal to this. Now dE upon dH is equal to 0 gives this result. From here we get H is equal to Q square K minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught Ka rho Ag. As Q is equal to sigma A, so on substituting these values, this value in this equation, we get H is equal to sigma square K minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught K rho G.